Mga kapuso, tinuod yun tingali ang saying nga we are what we believe. Kung hugot yun ang atong pagtuo nga makabot natong atong mga pangandoy, dili yun kini imposible taliwala pa man sa mga hagit nga nasinati. Gipamatudan kini sa atong makauban tungod sukad 4 years old pa lamang siya, nakigbisog na siya sa sakit nga cancer. Apan wala siya nagpapildi. Gani karon usa na siya ka registered medical technologist. Atong ilailahon si Miss Eizabeth Moriel. Good morning, Ma'am Eizabeth, and welcome po sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Maayong buntag po. Good morning. Medyo ginakulbaan ko karon. This is my first time in TV.
Ma'am, dili lalim ang challenges nga imong naagian at an early age because at the age of 4, you were diagnosed with acute lymphatic leukemia. And after that, you were diagnosed again with brain leukemia. Can you tell us the challenges that you have faced while battling those illnesses?
I was diagnosed with leukemia when I was 4 years old. There were two types na nakita nila that time, and it was ALL and AML. So it was really a struggle, no? But praise God, after 5 years, I was able to finish it. My treatment, yung chemo treatment ko. Pero after 9 months in remission, yung wala na akong chemo, they found out na nibalik siya. So I had a relapse of leukemia and I had to undergo the treatment from the start. So, praise God praise God kasi I was also able to finish that. Pero after 3 months of na natapos ko din siya, my doctor found out that it metastasized to my brain. So I was diagnosed with brain leukemia cancer. After 12 years na almost continuous na treatment, finally, I was able to survive and I was declared cancer-free.
You mentioned while you were battling cancer for more than 10 years, you have experienced another challenge kay na-admit ka sa ICU because of dengue. Unsay gihuna-huna nimo atong panahon, ma'am?
Siguro yung time na on my third cycle ng chemo treatment. How old ba ako noon? That time kasi parang, uy, grabe na Lord ha. Third cycle na ulit and it's brain cancer. Murag, unsa na mo jud ni Lord? Gina-curse ba jud ko nimo? Hate ba jud ko nimo? Ngano, why do I have to go through this cycle again and again? But then, amazing how God answered my prayers ba? Kay it was that time na very uso ang dengue, just like uso ang dengue that time, and ako din, I was not able to keep away from it ba. Nung nagka-dengue ako, it was on my third cycle, and funny thing kasi yun yung time na uso ang dengue. Tapos that day, nung nalaman, when we found out that I had dengue, kay it was supposed to be my chemo schedule. And di ba, pag chemo mo before kanila i-chemo, kay you have to undergo yung vital signs, CBC and everything else. So that time, kay pasado ako sa lahat. Okay, aking CBC, okay, aking temperature, aking blood pressure, and etc. So they were supposed to go through with my chemo ba. Tapos timing, nung pag-inject na nila sa akin, so pag tourniquet sa akin, biglang lumabas ang first symptoms, signs ng aking dengue. So, immediately, I was tested for dengue, and doon nakita nga na dengue siya. So, doon lumabas ang lahat ng signs and symptoms, fever and everything else from that point onwards. Pedya pa kasi ako that time. So, lahat ng patients nandoon were all filled with dengue patients. And nung time that I was able to survive yung dengue, during my follow-up checkup, doon ako sinabihan ng doctor ko na, uy, then, grabe ka-amazed. Lahat ng mga doctors, lahat ng nurses who handled you were all amazed. Kasi you were able to survive despite having cancer. And that's when I realized then on na God has a purpose why doon gi-open ni Lord aking eyes of what my purpose really is, why God allowed me to experience this situation, why God allowed me na nga 3 times jud, 3 cycles of chemo treatment, 12 years of chemo treatment, because God has a purpose in my life, and that is to show people that miracles from God exist.
Okay, ma'am, how did you handle everything before? Especially nga, nag-eskwela ka pa while undergoing treatment. How was your life at school then?
Actually, it was hard kasi yun nga, ang school ko that time was the hospital. Everyday hospital. Parang Mondays to Fridays, chemo, hospital. Tapos, out ka lang sa hospital mo, Saturday, Sunday, and then balik ka naman sa hospital, Mondays to Friday. So, parang ako nag-school na, yun. But, praise God, kasi God opened doors for me na to be able to do my school at home. So yun, nag-homeschool ako until such point that my doctor allowed me na, it's safe for you to go to school na. So, yun, I was able to experience going to school na on a regular basis. Pero there are times pa rin na on and off pa rin ako. So, I'm blessed kasi my school that time allowed me ba na with my absences na sige lang ako make up. And praise God kasi yun nga, despite the struggle, the hindrances, my health, kay I was able to survive not just my sickness but also my school.
Karon ma'am, usa na ka registered medical technologist. What strongly motivated you to become one?
Siguro it became natural na din sa akin ba. Yun nga, because I grew up basically in the hospital, na it became natural for me to have that desire to take care of cancer, to take care of patients din, especially siguro handling cancer patients, mga ganyan.
Ma'am, unsa sabi mong mensahe sa tanang mga kapuso nato nga kasamtangang dunay balatian or nag-atubang og dakong hagit sa kinabuhi?
So my message to everyone, siguro especially for those who's going through sickness right now, whether that one thing I've learned about in life, siguro is really to surrender our lives to Christ. One verse that really struck me during that time, after God impressed to me, opened my eyes to what His plans for me was in Philippians chapter 4, verse 11 to 13. I know what it is to be in need, and I know what it is to have plenty. I have learned the secret to being content in any and every situation, whether well-fed or hungry, whether living in plenty or in want. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Now, once you've surrendered your life, once that you know that God is with you, that He will provide, that He will heal you sa finances you man and everything, He is always there for you. And this is what I've always told people about every time they ask advice to me, is there are 2 perspectives in life, look up or look down. When you look down, you will see all the negativity kung ano mang nangyayari sa buhay mo. But when you look up, when you focus our eyes, when we fix our eyes on God, you would see that even in the midst of struggles you are going through right now, you are still blessed because He is always with you. He will provide anything or everything that you need.
Ayan. Perfect example gyud ka, Miss Eizabeth, sa phrase nga, laban lang. Ayan. Tungod wala gyud nagpapildi sa hagit sa imong balatian. You are truly an amazing woman and an inspiration. Daghang salamat sa pag-share sa amo sa imong kinabuhi. God bless po and continue inspiring people.